Return HTTP status code 201 in Flask. We're using Flask for one of our APIs, and I was just wondering if anyone knew how to return a HTTP response 201. For errors such as 404 we can call. But for 201 I get lookup error, no exception for 201. Do I need to create my own exception like this in the docs?
You can read about it here.
You can use response to return any HTTP status code.
You can do. If you want to return a JSON data in the response along with the error code, you can read about responses here and here for make_response API details.
As Lax suggested, send status code in return statement, and if you are storing it in some variable like and using, then time, make sure its type is int not str. As I face this small issue, also here is list of status code followed globally, this URL. Hope it helps.